Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a ghost. This is Halloween month, so I'm going to be uploading Halloween videos like crazy this month, and I hope you enjoy them. So let's get going. This is easy pictures to draw. So let's draw a ghost and draw that kind of top. It's kind of like an upside down U. It's really simple. It should be just kind of that shape. Then we're going to go down. Gonna draw a little ghost foot here. No way. It's gonna be that bottom part, you know, that bottom of the ghost is like a sheet. And just gonna be like little tiny U's, real simple. Upside down U's as well. For eyes, it's kind of like hee hee. Little mouth. Then we draw a little tiny hand here, and a little tiny hand here. And fix this edge right here. And then we draw a little heart. Another little heart, kind of little black hearts. Tee-hee, you know, a little lovely ghost. It's a friendly ghost. That's pretty much it. That's really simple. If that was easy to follow along, click that like button. Also, don't forget to join our email list. I'll put it in the description below, and I will talk to you in the next video. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos this month because of Halloween. So it'll be real simple, real cute, real fun to do. So like I said, next be sure to pause the video if you need to and rewind it as needed, and comment. Say hi to me in the comments, guys. Talk to you later.